In this tutorial, we learnt about helical sweep and sweep. So now let's start about helical sweep. Firstly, we select sketch option and any surface. Now sketch view. So now we select center line and then select a line option and draw a line parallel of the center line and then give the height dimension as we need for this helical sweep. Now OK. Select helical sweep option and then select create or edit sweep section option. Then draw a circle. Draw a circle. Give dimension as we need. Now select on OK and then now give the difference between the coils as we need. So I choose 15 diameter difference. So we can choose according to need. So this is our helical sweep. So now OK. So you can see helical sweep tutorial is complete. Now come for the sweep option. So firstly delete this. So firstly select sketch option and any one surface. Now on sketch view select spline option. Now select line, design what you need. and then click on OK. So now select sweep, then go for create or edit sweep section, then select any sketch option what you need. I select rectangle, sketch view, draw rectangle, give dimension, select circle, sketch view, now OK. Now select OK. So you can see how it work. So our sweep is complete. Now click on OK. So you can change shape according to your circular, rectangular and other. So this is the today tutorial about sweep and helical sweep. So thank you, must watch it.